What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. 2 boxes of football for you tonight. But first, one bad break drawing for last night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. Here are the entries. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is going to be Paul. Congratulations. Now we'll start with the absolute memorabilia. Divisional breaks. Each one spot going to get your own division. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste those against the list we use for our divisional breaks. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Up first for the Browns, Barkevius Mingo. 9 out of 49. Going to Will. And Sean McCoy, Sam Bradford. Trent Richardson, Hog Heaven. First hit going to the Redskins, a rookie auto triple patch, Jordan Reed. 31 out of 99. Going to Richard M. Keenan Allen, 35 out of 199. Antonio Gates, Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Dobson, rookie Hog Heaven. And Chris Ivory, Absolute Ink autograph, 11 out of 25. Jets going to Gregory. Bryce Butler to 499. Hakeem Nicks, Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, Arian Foster, and Absolute Prime rookie jumbo patch for the Broncos, Monty Ball. 5 out of 10. Broncos going to Ashley. Christian Ponder to 99. Jay Cutler, Wes Welker, LaShawn McCoy, and a rookie auto with jumbo patch for the Niners, Quentin Patton. 5 out of 25. Niners going to Jim S. That'll do it for the Absolute. Up next, the Finest. Also a divisional break. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. right, good luck, everybody. Adrian Peterson, Nick Foles, Tavon Austin, Jimmy Graham, refractor, and a Greg Robinson rookie. AJ Green, Luke Kuechly, Julio Jones, Johnny Manziel, rookie, and Austin Seferian-Jenkins. Drew Brees, Aaron Rodgers, Moneyball, Shane Vereen, and Johnny Manziel. Jake Matthews, Jadeveon Clowney, Vincent Jackson, Pierre Garcon, and our autograph jumbo patch for the Eagles, Zach Ertz. Eagles going to Ashley. Congratulations. Victor Cruz, Le'Veon Bell, Richard Sherman, Jordan Matthews, a rookie die cut for the Eagles, and Bishop Sankey. Roddy White, Cordero Patterson, Jordy Nelson, Mike Evans, and Robert Heron. Sean Lee, Alshon Jeffrey, Terrell Suggs, T.Y. Hilton, refractor, and Stephen Morris. Cecil Shorts, Andre Johnson, Von Miller, Alex Smith, Tyler Lewin. Ryan Matthews, Percy Harvin, Darrell Rivas, Deshaun Jackson, and Jason Morrow. Teddy Bridgewater, Pierre Thomas, LaShawn McCoy, Terrell Suggs, a gold, a refractor, 53 out of 75. Ravens going to Jason B. And a rookie auto jersey patch for the Jags, Allen Robinson. Jags going to Joshua W. Congratulations. Jordy Nelson, Alex Smith, Davante Adams, rookie die cut, Marquise Lee, and D'Anthony Thomas. Jay Cutler, Ray Rice, Eddie Lacy, Austin Seferian-Jenkins, and Jordan Matthews. That'll do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with the 10-box case break of the 2013 Playbook Football. Always a fun one. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.